Do you want to earn money while you sleep? Sounds like a dream, right? Imagine a world where your bank account grows overnight, not by magic, but through the power of passive income. This isn't about quick riches or dubious schemes, but about smart strategies that let your money work for you. We're talking about income that trickles in even when you're not actively involved. It's a game changer, a wealth builder, and it's completely within your reach. So let's dive into these 30 brilliant ideas to earn passive income. Investments can be a great way to earn passive income. Imagine this, your money, working tirelessly around the clock, generating a steady stream of income without you lifting a finger. Sounds appealing, doesn't it? This is the magic of investment strategies. Let's start with dividend stocks. They are essentially shares of companies that distribute a portion of their earnings back to shareholders. By investing in these, you receive a regular payout, which can be a fantastic way to generate passive income. Next, we have peer-to-peer lending. This involves lending your money to individuals or small businesses in return for interest. It's like being a bank, but without the brick-and-mortar branches. Then there's real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which allow you to invest in large-scale, income-producing real estate. Here, you earn from the rental income without having to manage any property yourself. Index funds are another excellent option. They are a type of mutual fund with a portfolio that matches or tracks a market index. It's a way of investing in a broad market segment, allowing you to diversify your investment and minimize risk. Lastly, consider bonds. These are loans that an investor makes to corporations or governments. In exchange, you receive interest payments over a predetermined period and get the loan amount back at the end of that period. Investments, if done wisely, can become a consistent source of passive income. The online world provides a plethora of opportunities to earn passive income. Imagine this, you're sitting in your favorite chair, sipping on a warm cup of coffee, while your bank account grows without you lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. This is the reality for many individuals who have discovered the potential of online ventures. Let's dive into a few examples. Blogging, for instance, is a fantastic method to share your knowledge and passion with the world. With consistent, high-quality content and a little bit of SEO magic, you can attract a vast audience and monetize your blog through ads, sponsored posts, or even your own products. Next up is affiliate marketing. If you have a knack for recommending products and services that you genuinely love, this could be your golden ticket. By promoting these items on your blog, social media, or website, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Creating an e-commerce store is another worthy venture. By sourcing products from suppliers or crafting your own, you can sell to a global market around the clock. If you're more of a creative individual, why not consider selling digital products? This could be anything from ebooks and online courses to music and designs. And let's not forget about running a YouTube channel. With engaging content and a loyal subscriber base, you can generate income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and more. With the right skills and strategies, online ventures can be a goldmine for passive income. Ever thought about making money from your unused assets? Let's dive into the world of rental income, a wonderful way to turn your idle resources into a consistent cash flow. Think about the spare room in your house that's collecting dust. Why not rent it out? With platforms like Airbnb, you can easily connect with people looking for a short-term stay, or consider that empty parking spot you have. In a bustling city, parking can be a real headache. Renting out your spot can be a lifesaver for someone and a source of income for you. Even your car can become a money-making machine. If your car spends more time in the garage than on the road, consider renting it out on platforms like Turo. And let's not forget about storage space. People are always looking for places to store their stuff. Renting out your garage or basement as storage space can be another lucrative venture. Rental income can be a great way to utilize your unused assets to generate passive income. A scene script. Got a creative streak? You can monetize that too. Let's delve into the world of creative endeavors. where your passion can be the key to earning a passive income. This is for all the artists, writers, musicians, and designers out there. Your talent has value and can be a source of continuous income. Think about it. Have you ever taken a beautiful photo that could be sold as a stock image? Sites like iStock are always in need of fresh, original photos. Your one-time effort in capturing a unique image can lead to repeated revenue each time it's downloaded. Or maybe writing is more your style. Why not pen an ebook? With platforms like Amazon Kindle, you can publish your work and earn royalties for every sale. And the best part, your book can be sold indefinitely, providing a steady stream of income. What about sharing your knowledge through an online course? Websites like Udemy or Coursera allow you to create and sell courses on a topic you're passionate about. Once your course is up and running, it can bring in revenue without any additional effort on your part. For the musically inclined, licensing your music for commercial use can bring in royalties. And designers, consider creating printables or graphics for sale on platforms like Etsy. Remember, the key here is to create something once and then earn from it repeatedly. Your creativity can not only fulfill you, but also fill your pockets. In the tech-savvy world, there are numerous ways to earn passive income. Let's dive into some of the most promising tech-based solutions that can generate a steady stream of income for you. Firstly, consider developing an app. If you have a unique idea and some coding skills, you can create an app and earn from in-app purchases or advertisements. There's a huge market for apps, from gaming to organization tools, so there's plenty of room to innovate. Running a podcast is another tech-based passive income source. If you're passionate about a particular topic and love to share your thoughts, starting a podcast could be a fantastic fit. Once you have a loyal listener base, you can monetize through sponsorships or ads. Creating a software product is another viable option. If you can solve a problem that many people or businesses face, you have a potential gold mine. Once developed, you can sell licenses or subscriptions, providing a continuous income stream. Next, dropshipping. This e-commerce model allows you to sell products online without holding inventory. You simply partner with a supplier and they handle the stocking and shipping. Your role is to market and sell the products, and the profit margin is your passive income. Lastly, consider setting up an automated webinar. Share your expertise, sell your product, or provide training. Once set up, these webinars can run on autopilot, earning you income for each participant. Embrace the tech world and let it become your passive income source. There are still more ways to earn passive income. Let's explore them. So, you've heard about network marketing, right? It's a strategy where you sell a product or service directly to customers and also recruit others to do the same. The beauty of network marketing is that you can earn from your own sales and from the sales of your recruits. It's like having your own sales force working for you. Now let's talk about cashback credit cards. These are not your regular credit cards. Every time you swipe, you get a percentage back. It might seem small, but over time, it adds up. It's like getting paid to spend. Have you ever thought about owning a vending machine? It's a simple concept. You stock it with goods, and it does the selling for you. It's a one-time investment that keeps on giving. Moving on, let's consider laundromats. In urban areas, where space is a luxury, laundromats are a necessity. Once set up, they require minimal supervision and can be a steady source of income. Lastly, storage rentals. As people accumulate more stuff, they need places to store it. By providing storage space, you can earn a regular rental income. It's a business that thrives on the simple principle of supply and demand. Remember, every idea has the potential to become a great source of passive income. So there you have it. 30 passive income ideas that can help you earn money while you sleep. From investment strategies to online ventures, rental income to creative endeavors, and tech-based solutions to miscellaneous ideas, we've covered a wide spectrum of opportunities. The beauty of these options is that they cater to a variety of skills, interests, and resources. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or a creative soul, there's something for everyone. It's essential to choose the right passive income strategy that aligns with your strengths and resources. But let's not forget, passive income doesn't mean effort-free income. It may require initial hard work, time, and patience to set up. However, once established, it can offer a consistent income stream without the need for active involvement. Remember, the journey to passive income may require effort and patience, but the financial freedom it brings is worth it. Start today and let your money work for you.